Hello and welcome to Hackathon Labs. I'm Mr. Hackathon and I teach you how to build software. In this video, I am going to walk you through Google Gemini's gems, what they are, and how to get started with them. What we're looking at is Gemini right now. This is Google's version of ChatGPT or Google's version of Claude by Anthropic. This is a large language model where you can generate text, you can generate images, you can generate videos, and a lot more. So what we're going to do is get started and create our gem. But before doing that, we are going to take a look at some gems I've created. To access gems, you are going to visit gemini.google.com/gems, and you can hit /view too, but /gems should be fine. We're going to take a look at this YouTube video title gem that I've created, which generates YouTube video titles for me. So I'm going to click on that. And I am going to give it a topic. So let's say context engineering. And what it's going to do is going to generate titles for me. Very, very simple, very straightforward. And yes, you can do this with Gemini. Yes, you can do this with ChatGPT or whatever large language model you use. This is just a very quick way for me to generate, in this instance, my YouTube titles without having to prompt again and again, or copy and paste prompts from somewhere else. This is the whole point of gems, to streamline your workflow when prompting your large language model, specifically Gemini. Before I continue, don't forget to sign up for my free Maven Lightning workshop, going from ideas to execution with OpenAI's CODEX. This will be a super interesting Lightning workshop where I'll make it incredibly easy for you to generate impactful ideas. So we're going to go back and we're going to take a look at this YouTube video title gem. If I hit edit, when you create a new gem, you will see something just like this, where you can give your gem a name, you can give it a description and instructions. These are very, very simple instructions. You don't need to go too in depth with your instructions, but whatever prompt that you would initially give your large language model or Gemini, you can put it here. This gem feature is for things you would repeatedly ask Gemini to do. It saves you time copy and pasting or having to reprompt again and again. Here we have default tools so we can generate images or videos, use deep research. We can also add a knowledge base, which might be something from our Google Drive or something from Notebook LM. And this is a super simple, super straightforward way to streamline your workflows with Google Gemini. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy hacking.